Let's learn A to Z fish names. A. Angelfish. Angelfish. B. Betta Fish. Betta Fish. C. Clownfish. Clownfish. D. Discus fish. Discus fish. E. Electric eel. Electric eel. F. Flying fish. Flying fish. G. Goldfish. Goldfish. H. Haddock. Haddock. I. Isopod. Isopod. J. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. K. Koi fish. Koi fish. L. Lionfish. Lionfish. M. Manta ray. Manta ray. N. Neon tetra. Neon tetra. O. Oscar fish. Oscar fish. P. Parrot fish. Parrot fish. Q. Queen angelfish. Queen angelfish. R. Rainbow fish. Rainbow fish. S. Swordfish. Swordfish. T. Tiger barb. Tiger barb. U. Unicorn fish. Unicorn fish. V. Viper fish. Viper fish. W. Whale shark. Whale shark. X. X-ray tetra. X-ray tetra. Y. Yellow tang. Yellow tang. Z. Zebra fish. Zebra fish. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, goodies.